So this video is going to demonstrate how to edit a page once you've created it, or how to go in and edit content on a page that's already there. It'll also demonstrate the basics of the ribbon, which is what SharePoint calls your editing tools. But before we go into edit a page, I just want to show you one thing. This is the status bar, this yellow bar. You'll see it frequently when you're logged into the site. It'll tell you, what it tells you is when a page is checked out to you, or when it's checked in and it's ready, you can edit it. I'll show you what it looks like if a page is checked out to someone else. So if you ever try to go into a page to edit it and your ribbon doesn't come up, it's because the page is already checked out to someone else. And that means that until that person publishes the page or checks it back in after they've made their edits, you can't go in and edit the page as well. So this won't happen for everyone, but it'll happen for some people who might be sharing content or sharing pages. So if we go back to where we were, to edit the page you have two options. You can either select this little pencil icon here, or you can go to Site Actions and select Edit Page. I'm going to select this little icon. So this is the ribbon. It pops up when you select Edit. It has a couple of things here. Browse allows the ribbon to disappear so you can see the global navigation up here. Page is where you can save and close your work. So say you've been making some changes to a page, you want to save your work, but you're not ready to publish yet, or you're not ready to check it back in yet to make it available for other users. You just hit save and close, and that'll get you out of edit mode, but it says it's still checked out and editable, which means it's still, you're the only one who can edit that page still. So if I go back into edit mode and go back to page, checking in also allows you to, like I said, make the page available for someone else. If you ever went into edit mode by accident and you haven't made any edits yet, but you're actually like, oh wait, this isn't the right page, you can just click discard checkout and it acts like you were never there. It says, are you sure you want to exit without saving? Yes, I do. Now we're out. It's checked back in. Nothing happened. If you go back into edit mode, a few other things. Page, you really don't need to worry about the properties at all. If you ever have questions about any of this, let us know. But really the only thing that's important here is the page layout. For the purposes of a page like this, which is just a body page, it's not a home page or anything like that, it doesn't need any special layout, just select body only. You can play around with these if you'd like, but body only is what you want to use for a basic content page. Publish, this is where you publish your page when you're done. It will look different for different people until we have the publishing process the same for everyone. Some people have to submit and approve their page. Others will just be publishing the page, so it's a few less steps. But so right now, since I'm logged in as a user that can just publish it, that's why you see this here. If I had to submit and approve, this would say submit and this would say approve. So here are your editing tools. This is where you can format your text, gives you the text options, all your basic, it looks just like Microsoft Office. So if I want to put in title, this is my title, I'm going to highlight it, because say that I want this to be a heading. Markup styles right here gives you options that are within our style guides, and they'll be a part of your school or your websites, whatever you're working on, the division website or elsewhere. It'll be a part of that style guide, so that's why it looks like it fits with the division website here with these headings. So I'm going to give it heading 1, and then I'm going to enter down. Now I want to make sure I'm on paragraph, and I'm going to type in some text here, and say I want to have a subheading. I'm going to highlight that text, and I'm going to go back here and I'm going to do heading 2. So that's how the headings work. Very simple. Say you want something to be centered, I'm going to center that. Again, very simple. If you want to ever go into the HTML, that's where it's right here, edit HTML source. If you understand HTML, if you know how to play around with it for formatting purposes, this is where you do that. If you ever have questions about HTML and you want to work on your formatting your page there, let us know and we're happy to help you with that. I'm going to go into this section of your ribbon later, show you how to insert a picture, insert a web part, insert a link, all of those good things I'll show you how to do. But one thing I'll show you real quick is the table. It's very, very simple table rules. So say I want to do a simple table, insert the table, column width, height, all of that. Your design tools come up here. Again, very simple. There's more limitations though in a table here. Header row is going to be bold. First column is going to be bold. If you don't want it to be, you undo it. Styles, you only have a few styles. There's light lines, clear, light banded, and then two-tone. If you want, again, more help with formatting things with tables, there's more ways to do it in HTML, which again we can help you with if you have some formatting needs in that way.